everyone, Nut-Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make eggnog cookies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need a half a cup of butter softened, a cup of sugar, a half a cup of eggnog, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a fourth a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and don't let the name scare you. I know it freaks me out every time, but nutmeg is made from a seed. Then you also need 2 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 large egg white, and we're going to lightly beat that, and then colored sugar, any kind that you want. I'm going to use red, green, blue, yellow, gold, and then of course some cookie cutters. So we're going to use a tree, a stocking, a star, a candy cane, and a bell. Alright, so first we want to cream together our butter and sugar with an electric mixer. Okay, that looks good. So now we are going to beat in the eggnog, baking soda, and nutmeg. That looks and smells great. Now we are going to gradually add in our flour and mix it together. Alright, my dough looks great, so I'm just going to go ahead and cover it in plastic wrap, and I am going to put it in the refrigerator for an hour. At the end, I did have to mix mine with a spatula, with a wooden spatula, but you can do it as much as you want with the mixer and then finish it off with the spatula. So let's go ahead and wrap it up. So next you want to preheat your oven to 350 and then roll out your cookies on a lightly floured surface. I did mine right on top of parchment paper, and I did about half of my dough, and you just want to cut them out into whatever shapes you want. So my first batch is here, and now I am going to get my egg wash ready, brush it onto the cookies, and then sprinkle them with whatever kind of sugar you want to put on there. Alright, those look great, so I am going to go ahead and bake those 6 to 8 minutes. Alright, all of the cookies are out and cooled. I just transferred them to a cooling rack to make sure they cooled completely, and I am so happy with how they turned out, and they taste amazing. So we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Okay, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. Bye.